Protecting your identity is just as important on the internet as it is in real life. You would never throw away highly confidential paperwork without properly shredding it, right? So why would you haphazardly release confidential information on the internet? Do your due diligence before submitting any personal information on any website. Ask yourself, am I familiar with this site? Is this a reputable place? How did I end up on this site? Did I click a link that just happened to be made available to me, maybe via email or some random pop-up? Knowing that attackers create malicious sites to draw you in, being aware that this happens is step number 1. Step number 2 is to avoid disclosing your private information unless you absolutely know the site or service that you're using and know that it's reputable. Stay on top of your credit report. Services exist that enable you to be proactively notified right on your phone at any time a change occurs on your credit report. Stay aware. The sooner you realize something's wrong, the better chance that you have to correct it. Let's say you know the site you're submitting information to. You access the site directly, you didn't click a link or an email attachment to navigate there. That's good, right? That's your due diligence, right? Well, you're close. What are you connecting to that site on? Are you on your own personal device at home, using your own Wi-Fi? Or are you in a public place using public Wi-Fi? Ask yourself, is there any way that someone else could intercept that information that I'm sending because they're sharing the network with me? If you're out at a coffee shop or at a store using public Wi-Fi, just wait until you get home. If you can't, disconnect from the public Wi-Fi and use your cellular service. Set up a hotspot on your phone if you have to use your laptop. Do whatever you can to limit your vulnerabilities, and sending data, even encrypted data, on a public network still opens an additional layer of risk that you can avoid.